Yes, today's topic is father. Today you have to speak on father. You have to tell about your father means his name, his age. छोटे छोटे से सेंटेंसेस बनाओ और अच्छे से जल्दबाजी ना करें, एक दूसरे को सुने, उनका एज, उनका नाम, उनका काम, क्या उनमें आपको अच्छा लगता है, क्या है, जो भी है, ठीक है ना। अच्छे से कोशिश करें आप छोटे छोटे सेंटेंसेस बना के बोलने की। तो यस, वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद प्रदीप। यस, कम ऑन प्रदीप।
Yes, sir. My name is Pradeep, and today I am telling about my father.
सभी लोग सुने ध्यान से जरा, अपने धुन में नहीं लगे रहे और लिखें कोई भी नहीं, लिखना बिल्कुल नहीं है, कोई नहीं लिखेगा,
My
बस
fa-
सुने ध्यान से केवल। हाँ,
my father name is Dwarika Prasad Meena. He is a government teacher, and he also woke up early in the morning.
वॉकअप नहीं,
He
वेक्स
was
अप।
wakes up. He wakes up early in the morning. He is 20, he is 52 years old,
हाँ
and he is very punctual for his time. Is very punctual to time,
हाँ
and he also go playing games like bubble shooter, and he is the best father, and he always always care me. He tell me about with with he tell me to study. He also ask me question about my study. He also help me for my he also help me in my studies.
हम्म,
He is a very wonderful father. I like him very much. He also love me so more, and he give me all facilities which is important to my study,
हम्म,
which is important in my study.
हम्म,
And he is a government servant.
हम्म,
He is very respectable person in his with his work,
हम्म,
and all the people respect him. All the people respect him because he is a very good and nice person. He also helps another person who
another नहीं, other
feel.
persons।
He also helps other person. He is a he is a very polite and punctual. He's a very polite and punctual.
हम्म,
He he that's it, sir.
हो गया, दैट्स इट।
Yes, sir. That's it.
ओके, बहुत अच्छा, इम्प्रूवमेंट आ रहा है, पहले से कंपेयर करो आप तो इम्प्रूवमेंट आ रहा है ना। सुनना अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग आपको। यस, कम ऑन क्षमा।
Hello everyone, my name is Shama Sharma. I am a student of Rahman Online Interactive Classes from V9. Today I am telling about my father. My father name is Puran Sharma. He is 42 years old. He is shopkeeper. He is very good person. There, there are five children. He love us. He love us.
देयर आर फाइव चिल्ड्रन कैसे, ही हैज फाइव चिल्ड्रन ऐसे बोलो।
Okay, sir. He has five children. He love us. He is vegetarian.
हम्म,
He polite and kind person.
हम्म,
His wife name is Sunita Sharma. Village name is Bharatpur. His father name is Padma Pandit. His mother name is Rukmani Devi. His he tell us nice education.
Hmm? He provides us nice education.
Okay, sir. He provide us nice education. He is hard worker.
Hmm.
He 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 take he take he drink tea in the morning.
Hmm.
He
आप
go
टेक्स भी लगा सकते थे ड्रिंक की जगह, ही टेक्स टी इन द मॉर्निंग।
okay, sir.
कोई बात नहीं,
He
आगे बोलो।
he go to temple daily.
गोज।
He goes to temple daily.
हम्म।
He go he goes to he goes to he goes to from shop in the morning
फ्रॉम क्यों लगा रहे हो? ही गोज टू शॉप
on shop
इन द मॉर्निंग। हाँ।
in the morning. He take a breakfast. He take breakfast 12:30.
एट 12:30।
He breakfast at 12:30. He care me.
हम्म।
He care me.
हाँ, केयर्स मी। हाँ।
He he love us all people.
हम्म।
He 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 help all people all poor.
हम्म।
He he comes on shop.
फ्रॉम शॉप।
Okay, sir. He comes from shop at night.
हाँ।
That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। शाबाश, आ रहे हैं सेंटेंसेस आपके, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। यस, कम ऑन भावेश।
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Bhavesh Sharma. I read in Ramban English Interactive Classes Batch B9. Today's our topic is my father.
हम्म।
So my father's name is Mr. Dinesh Sharma. He is a good person and he is a good and kind person.
शाबाश।
He is he is a polite person.
हम्म।
He he loves me very much and I
हम्म।
also love him very much.
शाबाश।
He he wake up he wake up in early morning.
हम्म।
He 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 do he go for walk in the early morning.
गो, क्या दोबारा बोलना?
He go for a walk. He go for
गोज।
a
गोज गोज।
he goes for a morning walk and night walk.
हम्म।
He watch TV.
हाँ, वॉचेस। सॉरी, इसका ध्यान रखो।
Yes, sir. He watches TV.
हम्म।
He he is a dis- he is a district collector of Akhil Bharatiya Sanstha.
हम्म।
Father, my father,
बोल बोल।
her his age about his age about
हिज एज इज।
his, his age is his age is about 42 years.
हाँ।
My father my father my father provides me all of the things.
हम्म।
My father go to my
गोज।
father go to my father goes to temple.
हम्म।
My father my father do exercise.
डज।
My father does exercise.
हम्म।
My my father my father teaching me. My father is teaching me.
हाँ। माय फादर
My
टीचेस
नहीं
मी,
sir.
टेंस का ध्यान रखो।
हाँ sir. My father My father is teaches me.
इज क्यों लगा रहा है? माय मेन वर्ब आ रही है ना, बीटा वर्ब थोड़ी है। माय फादर टीचर्स मी।
My father teaches me.
हाँ।
He read newspapers
हम्म।
daily.
हाँ।
He he play volleyball.
हम्म।
He play volleyball in the morning.
हम्म।
He he go he go to he go to my father's my father go to he his my father's my father my father's my father has many cars and bikes
हम्म।
and etc.
हम्म।
Thank you.
ओके, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की, शाबाश। यस, कम ऑन शिवराज।
Hello guys, my name is Surya Narwal. I am a student of Ramban English Basic Grammar from batch B9. Today's topic my father. My father's name is Mr. Sajanji Narwal. My father is 45 years old. My father has 7 brothers.
ए और वन की क्या जरूरत है? माय फादर हैज वन ब्रदर या ए ब्रदर?
अच्छा सर.
हाँ।
My father's brother live in Jaipur.
हाँ।
My father's brother live in Jaipur.
हाँ।
He loves all family members.
शाबाश।
He loves him very much.
हिम,
Very much.
हिम किसके लिए लगा रहे हो?
He loves him very much.
मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ, इसमें हिम किसके लिए लगा रहे हो?
Sorry sir. Him. सर जी इसमें हिम नहीं लगा सकते क्या?
कैसे लगाएगा? हिंदी तो बोल तू, जब बताओ, मैं तेरे को पूछता रहा हूँ तेरे से।
मैं मेरे पिताजी से प्यार करता हूँ.
तो आई आएगा ना, आई लव माई फादर।
I love my father.
हाँ।
My father is very kind and helpful.
शाबाश।
He is a farmer.
हाँ।
He is my real hero.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश।
That's
ओके, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोला तुमने। वेरी गुड, घबराया मत करो, और ज्यादा बोलने की कोशिश किया करो। यस, कम ऑन निशा।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Nisha. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes from V6. Today, I am going to tell you about my father. My father name is Mr. Chandan Singh. Uh, he is 36 years old. His qualification is 12th pass. He goes to morning walk daily. He listens news daily on TV. He watches many many news of world on TV and mobile phone. He is a very hard worker, and he goes to daily shop because he is a shopkeeper, and he does hard working morning to evening,
नहीं
and
नहीं, ही
he
डज हार्ड वर्क, हार्ड वर्किंग नहीं।
okay sir, he does hard work morning to evening, and he
फ्रॉम
can
मॉर्निंग टू इवनिंग।
okay sir, from morning to evening, and he came back uh, at
Class.
7 p.m. He loves to all very much, and he gives our
अरे
needs,
सर कुछ नहीं
he gives
करते आज.
and he tells many speeches for us because they think nahi, sorry,
देखियो,
because thinks that we all sisters and brothers can get success in our future, and he is a very simple and kind person, and he loves me because I am one I am one daughter of his, and very he loves me very much, and he is real hero. He is my real hero, so I can not live without him. So I love my father very much. That's it.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा. शाबाश. Yes, come on, Yamini.
Yes, sir. My name is Ramban English Interactive Classes. Today's topic is father. I am telling about my father. My father name is Vishnu Kumar Sahu. He is 38 years old. He is a shopkeeper. He get up early in the morning. He go to he go to her he go to his shop every day. He go to temple every day. He
Sorry, इसका ध्यान रखो. Goes. हाँ.
he goes he goes her he goes his shop every day. He goes temple every day. He la- he his favorite color is blue. His favorite color is blue. He gives chocolate to us. He he teach to us. Um, I like my father very much. That's it.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा. कोशिश करो, ध्यान रखो थोड़ा सा ना, और ध्यान से करने की कोशिश करो. Yes, come on, Chetna.
Hello guys, my name is Chetna Sokaria. I am a student Raman English classes
Student of.
of Raman English classes from batch 9.
हाँ.
I tell you about my my father. My father's name is Rajesh Sokaria.
ये मत लगाओ नाम से पहले. ये नहीं लगाते कभी भी.
He is 40 years old. He is very good. He get up 8:05 in morning. He sleep in 12 in night. He is very hard worker. He is very important for me. My father is the best father. He is very hard worker. He is very intelligent. He cares all. He loves me. He loves family members. He daily sorry sir. He goes to temple daily.
शाबाश.
He goes to market daily. That's it.
शाबाश. बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है बेटा. बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है. बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है. शाबाश. कोशिश करिए अगर बस. कोई बात नहीं है ना. Okay. बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है. आ चुका है अब तुम्हारे वो ठिकाने पे. आ रहे हो धीरे धीरे. यस, कम ऑन अर्शित.
Yes, sir.
हाँ
क्या करना है?
बेटा, फादर टॉपिक है आज का. फादर पे बोलना है.
Okay.
नाम डाल दो अपना चैट बॉक्स में. यस, हर्षित.
Yes, sir. Hello, friends. My name is Harshit More. I am a student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B9 batch.
Very good.
Today's my topic is my father. My father name is Mr. Sitaram Moria. He is 43 years old. He is a teacher. He has 2 children. He wake up early in the morning. He sleep at 10 o'clock.
Sleeps.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
His favorite color is sky blue.
हाँ. शाबाश.
He is very kind person.
Yes.
His behavior was very good.
was क्यों is?
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
His favorite food is dal bati. He goes temple on every Saturday.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड. ऑन की जरूरत नहीं है. He goes to temple every Saturday. हाँ बोल.
Yes, sir.
कोई बात नहीं, बोलता है.
He is very hard worker.
हाँ.
He do exercise daily.
Do नहीं, does.
He does. Yes, sir.
हाँ.
He puts on formal dress.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड. हाँ.
He teaches me.
Teaches me.
Teaches me, yes, sir. He helps me.
हाँ, शाबाश.
All of my works.
In all my work. हाँ.
Yes, sir. He fulfills our demands.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड.
He has one bike.
हम्म.
He is very intelligent.
शाबाश.
He sir, he take tea daily
हाँ,
in
शाबाश.
in breakfast.
हाँ.
सर उसको क्या बोलते हैं? वह हर शनिवार को व्रत रखते हैं.
He keeps fast every Saturday.
Yes, sir. He keeps fast every
Give नहीं,
Saturday.
keeps.
He keeps fast every Saturday.
हाँ.
He is frankly with me and my sister. That's it.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. तेरी सिस्टर को भी बुला लिया कर, वो भी बोल लिया करेगी थोड़ा सा. यस, कम ऑन दिव्यांशी.
Yes, sir.
जाकर ये उसको मैं बात करूंगा इससे. हाँ दिव्यांशी बोल.
सर गई कविता कहाँ रही थी?
कोई बात नहीं है, हैं? अब बोल दिव्यांशी.
Hello friends, my name is Divyanshi and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes B6. Today's our topic is about father. My father name is Vishnu Kumar Sahu. He is about 35 years old. He likes the color blue. His favorite food is green vegetables. He always speaks truth. He goes to temple daily. He worships God daily. He goes to shop. He is a shopkeeper. He is a very working person. He is very intelligent. He likes to play brain games. He can solve every sums. He is very intelligent in maths. His drawing is very good. He helps me in my study. He spends some time with us. I like my father very much. That's it.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड. कर लिया करो बेटा, थोड़ी थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस है ना रोजाना. यस, कम ऑन मनीषा. आराम से मनीषा, बिल्कुल घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है ना? ये तो मैं तेरे को ऐसी प्रैक्टिस के लिए बुलाता हूँ. मैं अब तेरा दोबारा से करूंगा. मैं तेरा B10 में है ना 7 तारीख से.
ओके सर.
आराम से कोशिश कर बेटा. हाँ.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Manisha. I'm telling about my father. My father name is Sri Daluram Seni. He is a good person.
हाँ, शाबाश. आराम से.
And
आराम से.
his father's name is Ganesh Ram and his mother's name is Patasi Devi. And he do work. His work is share marketing. And he has 4 children and his wife name is Murti Devi. And he likes cricket. He read newspaper daily. And he has a car and a bike.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. हाँ.
And he care me and my family. He complete my all needs.
Complete की जगह fulfills.
he fulfills my all needs,
Hmm.
and he is very honest, and he is very polite and kind person,
हाँ,
or he help all members in my family and
शाबाश,
other.
शाबाश,
He give me good suggestion for my career
शाबाश,
and my dreams. He suggest me you he suggest me you you सर मेहनत करना क्या बोलते हैं?
he suggests me to work hard.
He suggests me to work hard, and he give me knowledge of the world.
अब provide use करो यहाँ पर give की जगह. He
ठीक है
provides
सर.
the knowledge
He
of the world to
provides
me.
me
हाँ,
knowledge of the world.
हाँ,
He likes क्या थे हाँ, his behavior is very good
शाबाश,
and nice.
हाँ,
He
शाबाश बेटा, शाबाश बेटा.
सर क्या बोलूं, he likes इडली डोसा.
हाँ, हाँ, आराम से बोल बेटा, घबरा मत बिल्कुल भी यहाँ.
He loves me and I love also him.
Very good, बहुत अच्छा बेटा. हाँ,
His favorite color is blue.
हाँ.
That's it. Thank you.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. बस 2-4 दिन में अपने आप रूटीन में आ जाएगी.
सर
अपने आप
बोलते
आ
हुए
जाएगी
तब
बेटा, प्रैक्टिस का
घबराहट
मैटर और कुछ
होती
भी
है.
नहीं है. क्या होता
सर
है?
बोलते टाइम घबराहट हो जाती है.
सब हो जाएगा बेटा,
जो
ठीक.
याद
2-4
होता है
दिन की
वो
बात
भी
है.
भूल जाती हूँ.
2-4 दिन की बात है, सब अपने आप धीरे धीरे खुल जाएगी, तो चिंता मत कर बेटा. अभी पहले किया
सर
नहीं
पहले
ना
कभी
ऐसा, इसलिए
प्रैक्टिस
घबराहट हो
नहीं
रही है.
हुई है. यस
घबराए मत,
सर.
बिल्कुल भी मत घबराए ना बेटा. बहुत बढ़िया बोला तूने, बहुत बढ़िया कोशिश की. सुनना तेरी रिकॉर्डिंग. यस, कम ऑन श्याम.
हाँ सर. Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Meena. I am a student of Rahman classes bin batch B9.
हाँ,
My father name is Ram Singh Meena. He is 34 year old.
हम्म,
He loves me.
हैं?
He loves me.
हाँ,
He is kind and polite person.
शाबाश.
He is honest man.
हम्म,
He work hard. He work hard.
हाँ, वर्क हार्ड. हम बोलता है, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी यहाँ.
He wears pant and shirt.
हम्म,
क्लास
He is very simple man.
हाँ.
Get up early in the morning.
पूरा सेंटेंस बोलो. ही गेट्स अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग.
He gets up early in the morning.
हाँ,
He drinks tea in morning.
हाँ.
He goes to work in the morning and comes back evening
वेरी गुड. इन इवनिंग.
in evening.
हम्म,
He reads newspaper every evening.
हाँ, शाबाश. इवनिंग है मॉर्निंग?
So every morning.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं, बोल.
Uh, he sleeps late in the night.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ,
He takes us on picnic every year.
वेरी गुड. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, शाबाश. हाँ,
He teach good manners to us.
हाँ. टीचर्स.
Teaches.
शाबाश, शाबाश, बोलता रहे. हाँ.
I am proud of my father.
हम्म,
He goes to temple every
शाबाश,
Saturday.
शाबाश. हाँ, शाबाश बेटा.
His wife name is Guddi Devi.
हम्म,
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। कोशिश करते रहो बस, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, सबका परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा है। यस, कम ऑन अरैना, अरैना। अरैना, नहीं है? ओके, मुझे रिकॉर्डिंग बंद करनी पड़ेगी। ओके